Hey guys, if you just started a game and you notice that you can't build anymore, well, you guys have to go back and edit that. So, right here in your settings for my island, if you guys go into game settings, then all the way down where it says block building, you guys should turn that right here, block building in game. Turn that on, I mean off, because right now it's on. So as long as you guys turn it off, then you guys are good to go. So right now what you guys should be doing is turning off, all right? So right now you guys saw it on, turn it off, apply it, then play the game. So we're gonna go and start the game right now. Start game. And we should see that we're able to build, okay? So that's the only way to fix this problem at the moment. And that's just something that you might have changed by accident. It just happens. A lot of people do it by accident. Nobody does it on purpose. By default, it's always ready to build, but it just happens. As you guys can see, we can start building like crazy and we're good to go. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.